Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Hey y'all, do not mind my hair. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I did what I can, okay? Y'all, I done took this wig off, put it back on, and I just try to melt it the best I can, but tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. But right now, I'm in the middle of getting ready to start my day. Today is Friday and it's like 3 something, and yeah, we finna get our day started. So I'm in the middle of doing my hair, so let's watch the process of me getting this hair together. All right, y'all, so I don't know if this angle look good or not, but I'm in the middle of doing my hair. I'm just gonna flat iron and make it look decent for today, not too much, but I'm gonna make it look decent. Like, I'm gonna flat iron these 2 parts so it can be flat, and I'm going to hot comb the top part so it can be.
Baby, you can be the new. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard. You can be the top, and I can be the fall. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's you or die, we can do it, baby, simple as that. This is love, it's a short thing.
Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, I could be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, brighter, baby. You can be the cool, baby. You can be the new. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard. You can be the top, and I can be the fall. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine.
Hey y'all, so today is Saturday and it's like 12 o'clock and I'm really just waking up, y'all. I went and got my hair done late last night and I did not record because it was just late, but today I'm going to record today. I am finna clean up, I'm finna mop real quick and then do my skincare routine and all of that, and then possibly soak off my nails for my press-on set because I'm going short. So yes, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if y'all like these vlogs. So let's get into today's vlog.
Girl, you now that I need you. Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you?
So I just got out the shower. I just got done cleaning my face, brushing my teeth, and now I'm thinking about soaking off my nails, y'all, and put on the press-ons that I made. Let me show y'all. These are the press-on nails that I made, which I think they are so cute. So I'm going to put them on. And by the way, y'all, if y'all want to shop press-ons or anything, if you're in the Houston area, go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's all things beauty. I do nails, hair, makeup. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, but also go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can place your order for some press-ons. Or if you're in the Houston area, go ahead and book with me for nails, makeup, and hair. So yeah, so let's get everything set up to soak off my nails.
Baby, you can be the new. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Keep going, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the phone, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I put your pretty little hand in. Even when we're down to the
Alright, y'all, so I'm going to soak off my nails. I already filed off like all of the rhinestones and stuff. The only one I have the rhinestone is this nail. So hopefully my nails can soak off within 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. I am heating up the water so that the acetone can act fast. It won't take all day. Because if you don't want the water and put acetone, it's going to soak off your nails fast. So, and that's what we want. I'm trying to get done with my nails by 1:30 and have my press-on nails ready to go. So hopefully I can do it, y'all. I really didn't want to take off my nail set, but just because I had them for like a week and I kind of got bored of it, I wanted to change my nails. So let's go get this water so I can take off my nails.
Bitch, that gotta slow down.
Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this weekend vlog. Today I really did not record anything today. I just went over to my mama's house, watched the Super Bowl, and then came home, made some hot dogs, and I'm just chilling and resting. But I hope y'all guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because y'all watching but y'all not subscribing. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.